Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language on the Bolt application. If you want to change to a different language of your preference on Bolt, first of all launch open the Bolt application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the Accounts button at the bottom right corner. From the Accounts page, tap on Languages at the bottom. You'll need to go to your device's settings to change to your preferred language. Tap on Go to Setting and then you'll be taken to your device's language setting for Bolt. Click on Language under Preferred Language option and select a different language of your choice. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language setting on Bolt app as well. So that's how you easily change your language setting on Bolt. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.